We continue with the key responsibilities of the director of rooms. Team leadership and development, recruit, train, mentor and evaluate room division managers and supervisors. Foster a culture of service, excellence, accountability and continuous improvement. Conduct regular departmental meetings and performance reviews. Financial and strategic oversight, prepare and manage rooms division budget, control expenses and forecast accurately. Drive upselling programs and implement revenue-enhancing strategies. Collaborate with revenue, sales and marketing to optimize room inventory and pricing. Interdepartmental collaboration, partner with engineering, security, food and beverage and sales to ensure smooth operations and cross-functional success. Support and participate to hotel-wide initiatives, audit and service standard implementation. The director of rooms is the face of the hotel's operation excellence, ensuring guests enjoy a flawless stay and that the hotel's most critical revenue-generating departments are running at peak performance. In the next video, I will detail the front office department.